Hi all, welcome to MLOps sessions. Today we'll learn how to deploy the machine learning model using Django framework. Django is high-level Python web framework. It is fast, highly secured, highly scalable. Elements of Django. The first one is model.py. It represents your data, maps model class to the database tables. The next one is template.py. It generates the HTML. It is a place where you write your HTML for your front end. Next one is views.py. It takes HTML request and returns the response. And it is a place where the core logic is written. The next one is settings.py. It is the settings for the project where we define the project related settings. Next one is urls.py. It is a place where we define the URL paths. Steps to install the Django framework. The first step is to create the virtual environment. If you have an Anaconda, you can use it. Next, we have to activate the virtual environment. Next, we have to install Django framework using the pip installer and also Django REST framework using pip installer. Let's create a Django project to predict the iris flower types. First, create a new project called learning by using the command Django admin start project learning. Next, navigate to the project folder created by using cd learning. Third, we create an app called API calling, and by using this command python manage.py start app API calling. Type the below command python manage.py run server to start the basic default web page. Let's explore the project files. Follow instruction.txt if you are stuck. Find the folder called model where a sample iris flower type prediction model is saved. We will use it in our code. Views.py is a place where we write our code to predict the flower types. In urls.py, we have to define the path and the method created to be invoked. In main urls.py, we have to add the new path to our app urls file. Let's explore views.py. First step is to import the required libraries. In the post method, we have to extract the fields received from the post request. We load the model file stored earlier and use it to predict the outcome and send back the JSON response. Let's test our framework with the Postman. Put the post URL as seen below. We can see the reference of the app name and the method to be invoked. In the body, we put the JSON data, and finally we click the send button. As we can see, we are getting the response back. That ends our today's session of ML Labs using Django framework. In the next session of ML Labs, we will learn about Docker basics and how to deploy our machine learning model as a container. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.